Today I'm gonna show you how to make Eastern Thai style hot pot. Let's start with the soup. I prepare the vegetable. I boil water on medium heat and add some salt in it. Then add pork rib. Light soy sauce and skim the fat out. Now water boil, I add lemongrass, Galangal, Shallot, and Kaffir lime leaf. Culantro, sweet basil leaf, lastly, add some toasted rice and turn the heat off. Step 2. Prepare the meat. Today I have the chicken meat, squid and shrimp. Put it nicely on the plate. Top with oyster sauce. Then crack an egg. Step number 3. Dipping sauce. I boil tamarind juice on low heat. Add the fish sauce and then sugar. I also add dry chili powder, toasted rice. Mix it all together. And add culantro at the end. Cooking is fun.